Now if you'll observe, so now first point what we have been done, guys, we have done what? We have found the longest chain of carbon atoms. Clear, Yalni? Now second one what we have done? What alkyl group we have been attached, we have done it. Now third point
Yes,
what
sir.
we have given the
Carbon should be the
numbers,
lowest
given the numbers
possible number.
according to the branch, according to the alkyl group, we have given lowest possible number for the branched carbon of alkyl group.
Okay, sir.
Next, fourth one, we have written that carbon number before that alkyl group. Before that alkyl group.
Alkyl group.
Everybody, now what is the last step means? So that number plus alkyl group you have to write just before parent chain, before parent hydrocarbon. Clear? That's all. So this is only will give you the IUPAC name of branched chain saturated hydrocarbons. Are you clear what I am saying? So we have
Yes,
to
sir.
write the carbon number. Carbon number. Next what? Next addition. What do we have to do? We have to do
Alkyl group.
alkyl group. Alkyl group plus parent
hydrocarbon.
Parent hydrocarbon.
hydrocarbon. So this is what will give you what, guys? Which will give you
For
nomenclature.
everything, we should write parent hydrocarbon.
Yes, parent hydrocarbon for everything. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
That
sir.
is what it is. So now shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now observe very carefully. It is not possible to form the branched chains till propane. Is it okay, guys? For your purpose only, I am saying it is not possible to form the branched chains till where? Till where, guys?
Propane.
Propane. Clear? So now branched chains will start from, you may be understand. So branched chains
Beauty.
will start from where, guys? Nitana?
Beauty.
Butane. Clear, everybody? This is what you have to
Yes, sir.
understand it. So why it is not possible means with the minimum less than, if less than 3 carbons are present, understanding, it is not possible to form a branch. Is it okay, guys? Why? Means, as I said, alkyl group will never attach to the first carbon. Are you clear, everybody? Kevin? For example,
sir.
it will take CH4, we know that only how many carbons are there? One
One
carbon.
carbon.
So only
Carbon.
possibility is what? It is not possible to form the branch. Are you clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Why are so many is not all joined at I don't know. It's okay. So there, are you understand? So there. Now let me take CH4. Now second one is what, guys? C2H6. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now C2H6 means it is not possible to form the branched one. Have you checked it? Is it possible to form the branch?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, it is not possible. Clear, everybody? Now, suppose if we'll take 3. If we'll take 3, now, branch means what? C dot D or C. So as I said, what? Carbon, there is no methyl group will attach to the first carbon. Clear, everybody?
Yes,
No
sir.
structure will form to attach, the alkyl group will attach to the first carbon. So that till propane, what is possible? There is no formation of, what will happen, guys? There is no
Branch chain.
formation of branched chain. Are you clear? Understand? So if you want to form the branched chain, what is the minimum number of carbons? Bhumika?
From 4.
4. Clear?
Four, sir.
That is what you have to remember. So branched chain will start from where? Carbon number is equals to 4. Clear? everyone? Yes. Respond. That is.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, Dina, are you understand? Dina, this one, Sriya?
Yes, sir.
Now you can proceed. Shall we start now? So branched chain. So let me take now butane. So as we know, first tell me straight chain. Anybody? What is the straight chain? First, let me take straight chain. So now straight chain means already we have done. What is that? C, C, C.
C.
and this. Clear? Varsini, if you have doubt, you can
CH3,
ask.
CH2, CH2, CH3.
Yeah. So as we know, this is what the straight chain. I am drawing straight chain for our purpose only. So now you can see. So as I said, carbon is it now? Methyl branch is is possible to attach it to the first carbon? It is not possible to attach to the first carbon. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? No response.
Yes, sir.
Now, so what we can do, can I write as a branched chain? This is what the straight chain. Now let us go with the, what is that? Branched chain. So now you can see, can I write as a branched chain like this? C, the single bond, C, single bond, single bond. Any doubt? Now,
Yes.
one more
No doubt.
carbon. I have to attach it in the middle carbon. This is what the first thing. Are you clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Because it should not attach it to the first carbons. Are you clear? Now you can check it.
Yes.
How many hydrogens will come? 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, and 3. Now this carbon only 3 bonds, so one more hydrogen will come here. Any doubt? Anybody can check. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understand? Now, this is what the first step. What is the alkyl group present here? Anybody, let me see who will find first. What is the alkyl group present here?
Butanes.
What is the alkyl group present here? You can check it. Alkyl
N-butanes.
group means what? What I said. One hydrogen is removed from the what? Methane.
Alkene.
No. Yes. Have you noticed this structure? This is what it is, methyl group. Have you understand, guys?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Now, just can you write the condensed formula of this one? Let me see who will say condensed formula.
CH3, CH,
CH3,
CH3.
CH3, and down what will come?
CH3.
I understand, Arvind. Now, name the carbon. So this is what the methyl group. This is what the methyl group we have. So now this carbon should get lowest possible number. So what we have to do? Left to right or right to left? Only 3 carbons are there. Only 3 carbons are there. Then what we have to do? You can proceed anyway. Understanding? 1, 2, 3. Or we can proceed right to left also. We'll get what? 1, 2, 3. Are you clear? Only 3
Yes, sir.
carbons is there. We can proceed left to right or right to left. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right to left, everything will come only second carbon only. So now, based upon this, what I said, what is the methyl group is present here? Please respond. What is the methyl? What is the alkyl group present here?
Methyl.
Yeah. Now, and for which carbon? For which carbon? What? 2.
First,
Two.
second carbons.
Yeah.
Second
What is the
carbon.
first step? What is the first step? That itself we forgot. What is the first step? Longest chain of
Longest chain carbon.
Yeah. So now what is the longest chain of carbon atoms here? Longest chain, check it and tell me.
Yes, sir.
How many? 1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
So 3 means what is the parent hydrocarbon? Let me see who will say. What is the parent hydrocarbon? 3.
Propane.
Propane. That's all. Very good, guys. So you people are understanding. So parent hydrocarbon. 3 means what is the parent hydrocarbon? 3 carbons.
Prop.
Propane. Prop not propane. Directly you can write. Understand, Arvind? No need to wait.
Okay, sir.
It's all are saturated, correct? So it will come propane. Clear? So what is the compound name? This one. 2-methyl propane. Clear, everybody? 2-methyl propane. Understand? So this is only called as what? This is a branched chain. So general one called as what? General one is called as butane, and this is called as 2-methyl.
Scientific name.
Understand?
Sir,
2-methyl.
IUPAC's name is different. Homoculture is different, sir.
Yes, the Jesse. IUPAC name is different and common name is different. Clear?
This 2-methyl propane is nomenclature.
Nomenclature, no, sir.
What?
IUPAC name nomenclature is same or different, sir.
No, your question is not clear. Can you ask me once again, please?
Sir, she's asking IUPAC name is same or nomenclature is same or different?
Nomenclature is same in the sense of, again, we will get scientific name is different, IUPAC name is different now, again here. I understand. Something. Now for this one, general name is called as butane. Now what is the scientific name, this IUPAC name of branched chain? Branched chain is 2-methyl propane. Are you clear? But straight chain we can call it as butane. Branched chain we used to call it as 2-methyl propane. Okay, ma?
Branched chain alone name will change, sir.
Yes, branched chain means names will change based upon the conditions
Okay.
they have to follow. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, one more example we will do so that you people can understand more easily. Shall we start with the second one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you can understand. Now, so as we know, this is what the structure of what, guys? This is the branched structure of butane. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please respond. Nobody
Yes,
will
sir.
answer, then what I will do? So this is the branched chain of what? Branched chain of butane. As I said, same chemical formula, but a different structure. What is that property called as?
Isomerization.
Nature of
Isomerization.
carbon. I said, what is that?
Isomerization.
What is that?
Isomerization.
Isomerization.
Isomerism. So that is why this is also we can say isobutane. What we should call, Jesse? Isobutane. Clear, everybody? Yes.
Yes, sir.
But here, this is called as common name. What we used to call? Common name.
Common name.
And this is called as what? This is called as IUPAC.
IUP.
IUPAC name. Clear, everyone? Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Now, one more example you proceed. You people tell me one after one. Karthikeyan, I understand Karthikeyan. Krutika, Sutir. Yes. Next, second one. Shall we proceed with the C5H12? So as I said, branched chain will possible from where, guys? Branched chains will possible from? Nobody is answering. Branched chain will possible from where?
From the low.
From 4 only. C4.
Four,
C4
yes, sir.
only it will possible. Till C3 it is not possible. Are you clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is for what? Only saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons. Okay?
Hydrocarbons.
That is. So that is what you have to remember. Now, shall we proceed with the C5H12? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let us see. Ma absentees column, they will never understand later what they are going also. Why they are not joining? Ashika, are you there in meeting? Yes. So now let us see. C5H12. What is the straight chain? Everybody can say first straight chain.
CH3, CH2, CH2.
Now first say CH3. It's okay. C. This is what the straight chain. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Aishwarya, this is what we can say straight chain. So this is only called as, what is that called as, guys? Naming. What is the common name? Anybody? What is the common name of this one? Straight chain, yeah. C5.
Pentane.
C5H12 means what?
Pentane.
Pentane. Very good. What is this called as? Pentane. It will come with the practice only. Please, everybody do it. Now, we'll go with the branched chain. So as I said, branched, correct? So now,
Yes, sir.
let us see how we can name this one. So we can write in the form of 2 branches. So let us see. First branch I will say. Now, can I take 4 as a maximum? 4 as a maximum parental chain, as I said? 4.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay, guys? Now,
Yes, sir.
I will arrange one more. Let me arrange the branches here. See. So now arrange the hydrogens. Anybody? Everybody arrange the hydrogens. Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Clear? Now here also hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Here also hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. And this is what? Hydrogen, hydrogen, and hydrogen. Till here, any doubt? Anybody please ask me. Clear, guys? The same thing I made as a branched chain. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, please. I made branched chain. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now,
No doubt, sir.
now you can see. Write it as a condensed formula. Condensed formula. What will come? CH3,
CH3,
CH,
CH,
CH2, CH3.
CH3,
Now, here what will come? CH3.
CH3.
Clear, guys? Now, what is the alkyl group present here? Alkyl group present. Alkyl group present.
Methyl, sir. Methyl.
Methyl. Is it okay? Methyl. Now, name the carbon which is attached to the methyl group and it should get lowest possible number. So lowest possible number means what will come? Dina will say now. This side or this side?
From left to right, sir. From
Yes,
left to right.
left to right or right to
Left
left.
to right,
This is
sir.
called as
Left
left
to
to
right.
right. Understanding? And this is called as right to left. So we should get what? Left to right or right to left?
Left
Left
to
to
right.
right.
One,
Left to right.
Left to right.
2,
One,
3,
three.
4. Clear? So now first,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the parent hydrocarbon?
2
Everybody.
methyl.
Yes,
two
what
methyl
is the
pentane.
parent hydrocarbon? That is what I
Pentane,
want.
sir. Pentane.
What is the parent hydrocarbon?
Pentane.
Pentane.
Pentane,
Pentane.
not butane. Parent
Butane, sir.
hydrocarbon is butane. Have you noticed it? 4 carbons only.
Longest chain alone. is-
Longest
Okay,
possible
sir, okay,
chain. Clear? Butane is the parent hydrocarbon. Clear? Now, for which carbon it is attached in branch? Which carbon? Second carbon.
Second, sir.
So,
2 methyl.
2
butane.
methyl butane. What is this called as? 2 methyl butane. Is it okay, guys? Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
only
sir.
called as IUPAC name. What is that? IUPAC name.
IUPAC.
And it is a what? What is the formula of this one? C5H12 only. Correct or not? So now same
Yes, sir.
chemical formula, but different chemical structure. So that is what it is called as. What was to call common name? Common name, please. Isopentane.
N-butane.
Butane, sir.
Isopentane, not N-butane. Yalni, you are fully confusing. Isopentane. This is pentane, correct? This is the pentane. So isopentane.
Okay,
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, any doubt? Please respond.
No doubt, sir.
Now, this is not the one structure. One more structure we can form. That is right or wrong, you tell me. So now, let me take what is the maximum parental chain carbons? As I said, how many maximum parental carbon chains? Minimum it will start with the 3. Understanding? So it is not possible with the 2 and 1. So minimum it should be 3. So now you can see, guys. So what is the formula? Please respond. C5H12. Is it yes or no? Now, can I
Yes,
arrange here 2 carbons for the second carbon? Any doubt?
No, sir.
2 branches. 2 branches I will arrange. Now you can check it. Number of hydrogens satisfying or not, you tell me. And if it is not satisfying, I will again explain. So is it satisfying or not? Tell me. Varshini, you are only first. Is it number of hydrogens are satisfying or not? Count it and tell me, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Satisfying, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So this is also another structure of, another branched structure of pentane. Are you clear, guys? Everyone? Another branched structure of pentane. What is the first one? Ashika, can you say what is the first step? Find the longest parent hydrocarbon. What is the longest parent hydrocarbon, guys?
Sir, but it is propane.
That is what? That is also correct only. What is the longest proper? What is the longest parent chain here? Less than that should not come.
Propane, sir.
What is the longest parent chain?
Propane.
Propane, sir.
Propane. Clear, guys? So now 3 carbons, yes or no? So 1 carbon, 2 second carbon, 3 carbons. So longest parent hydrocarbon is what, guys? Propane. Clear, everybody? Now, second
Yes,
step.
sir.
What is the alkyl group present? What is the alkyl group present?
Methyl group, sir. Methyl group.
Methyl group. How many methyl groups are there?
2 methyl.
2 methyl groups. Understanding? Methyl. Now, next one. The branched one should get lowest possible number. So as we know, only 3 carbons are there in parent chain. You can name it from any side. 1, 2, 3, or we can say 1, 2, 3. Is it correct, guys? Left or right or right or
Yes,
left?
sir.
Any doubt? No problem. Now, here, how many methyl groups are there, guys? How many methyl groups are there? 1 or 2?
2, sir.
How many are there?
2, sir.
2.
Two.
So now, if only 1 is there, we can say methyl. If 2 are there, what we should call chemistry? If 2 methyls are there, 2 are there, what we should call Arun Karthikeyan? 2, 3, 4, 5. What we should call, guys? And in mathematics also you will study Garatra. 2 are there, what we should call?
Bi.
One is mono, second one is di, third one is tri.
Di.
Yeah. So here two methyl groups are there. So it will become what? Dimethyl. What is that?
Dimethyl.
Dimethyl. And here at what carbon it is there? At what carbon they are attached? Both. Both are attached to the same carbon. So we can write 2,2 hyphen dimethyl propane. Is it okay, Alni? Dilipan?
Yes, sir.
That is. So we can say 2,2 dimethyl propane, and this is also we can say this is understanding. So this is what we can call isopentane. Is it yes or no? First one is called as isopentane. Yes or no, ma? Please
Yes,
respond. So now, if you are getting like this 2,2 understanding dimethyl, two methyl groups are present, then that is called as neo, and this is the C5H12. So that is why it is called as pentane. What we should call? Pentane. So this is the neopentane. What is this called as?
Sir, I can't understand. Can you say it?
Two
That is
methyl
2,2.
groups are there, correct? Two methyl groups are there. Understanding?
Yes,
Single
sir.
methyl group are there. That is called as isopentane.
Isopentane.
So we have a two
Yes, sir.
methyl groups. So that is why it is called as neopentane. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
This is the another branched chain of what? Pentane. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
I know that still you people are having doubt. So now anyhow, double bond and triple bond we will discuss. Now once again, one more we will solve. Shall we solve?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because
sir.
number of isomers are keep on increases if the carbon count is increases. That is what I want to say. So if you are ready, then we will proceed with the next one. Is it okay, guys?
Sir, one more example.
Yeah, one more example. Will give you, it will increase your confidence. That is what I want. Clear, guys? Shall we get this?
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
start?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Now. Proceed with the C5. Sorry, next one. C6, what will come? C6. C6,
Hexane.
H,
H14.
H14. Clear? So now, shall we start? Proceed with this. What is the name of this one? Everybody should respond. What is the name of this one?
Hexane, sir.
Yes?
Hexane.
Hexane. Hexane. Clear? So hexane we can say. What is this? Everybody draw. You have to help me. Now then only we can proceed. So what? First draw the straight chain. So how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Clear, everybody? So now number of hydrogens 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. If you are very silent, then how you people can understand? I am not understanding. If you are speaking only, you can understand whether it is coming or not.
Yes.
Reminding all why they are there, Kevin and Arun Karthik, are you understanding,
CH3.
guys? Yeah. So what is the right now? Krutika, are you understand Krutika? Karthikeyan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now write the first structural formula. This condensed formula, everybody. Condensed formula, right, guys? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Clear? So now see, to help yours only I am saying you have to draw. Make it fast. Shall we proceed now?
Yes, sir.
You people can understand how much
Yes, sir.
difficult it is. Shall we start, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now, this is what we should call as hexane, or we can say N-hexane. Correct or not? Hexane.
Yes, sir.
This is what IUPAC name. What is the IUPAC name of this one? IUPAC name is
Hexane.
hexane, and the
And
common
common name is
name,
N-hexane.
common name is called as N-hexane. As I said, after 4, we used to call it as N-butane, N-pentane, N-hexane, like that. Is it okay, guys? Common name. Karthikeyan sir, are you understanding? Jesse, Dina. Now you people can understand what is the difficulty of this chemistry. Now, shall we proceed with that? What I said, minimum number of carbons in parental chain. How many, guys? Minimum number
4, sir.
3. Three.
Three, sir.
Ah,
Three.
Understand?
yes, sir.
You should not get less than 3. So minimum we can proceed how many? 3 we can
Three.
proceed. Is it okay? So now let us check
Yes.
it now. We can draw how many possible structure. First branched chain. So let me check it. First branched chain. If you'll understand this, this is enough, guys. Nobody can defeat you if you understand this. First branched chain of hexane. What is that? Hexane. Clear? Now, maximum parental chain, how many carbons shall we keep? Your choice. Varshini Bensi will say. Varshini, how many you want to keep? Totally now we have 6. So maximum how many we can keep? First,
5.
5.
sir.
Very good.
Five.
Yeah. Now, Bhumika, say according to the 5 carbons, say the formula. Let me see who will say first step. Write the 5 carbons in straight chain. 5 carbons in straight chain. Now you want branch in where? Branch anywhere you can mark.
Second.
So
Anywhere
second
we can.
carbon I will mark
Second
it.
one we
Is it okay, guys?
Carbon.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Now,
No doubt.
attach number of hydrogens. Fastly, everybody. Attach number of hydrogens. 1, 2, 3. I won't say.
CH3, CH,
You have to do it. I
CH.
don't want to speak. You have to speak. So now H. I hope all are
CH3,
doing
sir.
along with me. Are you people are doing with me or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Or you simply
Yes, sir.
listening? Simply listening, it will never come. I am saying you again. Simply listening, it will never come. Now, write condensed. Don't speak, everybody. I will ask particular person. Suthir, can you say condensed formula of this one? Condensed formula. CH3, CH, CH2, CH2, CH3, and here CH3. This is what the condensed formula. Clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
for example, Jesse, can you say Pranav joined now? Now joined Pranav. I understand. Prahasini, can you say from which side we have to mark the numbers? Left to right or right to left? Left to right or right to left?
Right to left.
Right to left. Right to left means you will get what? You can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, this is what we can say right to left. Is it right?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Left
No.
to right.
Then
No,
you
sir,
say
no,
right to
sir.
left.
Left to right.
Left to right.
This is called as right to left, guys. So it is what? It is wrong. Is it okay, guys? So now what we have to do? We have to mark it always left to right. So
Left to right.
left to right, then what will come? It will become 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is it okay, guys? Now,
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt? Now, first, what is the
No
first
doubt,
step I said? Bhumika, can you answer? What is the
Sir.
parent hydrocarbon, guys? What is the
Pen-
parent hydrocarbon?
Pentane, sir.
Pentane. So write pentane.
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 Five,
Write pentane. Everybody write pentane first. Now, next, what is the alkyl group present?
Sir,
What
methyl.
is the alkyl group present?
Methyl.
Methyl. Understanding? What is the alkyl group present? Methyl.
Methyl.
Clear? Now, it is attached for. It is attached for which carbon? Second
Second
carbon.
carbon.
So, 2 methyl pentane.
pentane.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir.
Sir, this is isohexane, sir.
Yeah, whatever you don't need to. That is and all. That is I'm saying. Yeah, iso. You can say isohexane. Okay. Clear, guys? Understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now, you can see same structure. Can I draw like this? Now you people can understand or not? Let me see. Now by this side, CH3. You tell me. CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. So now carbon is now branch is attached to which carbon? Third carbon. Have you noticed it? So now you can see. So naming 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. So left to right or right to left, same number will come. Is it yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now name this compound fastly within a second. Dina, can you answer this? Name. Again, parental chain how much?
3
Pentane
methyl
only.
pentane.
Pentane only. So now what is the methyl group? Methyl group is also,
Three
sorry,
methyl
alkyl group is also methyl only. Now
Three
for
methyl
which carbon it is attached?
Three.
Which carbon? 3. So you can say 3-methyl pentane. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
that is what. So now 4 it is not possible. Why, guys? 4 it is not possible. Why? Anybody?
So, sir, if we written 4 means it will
It will come as a 2 only. Yes or no?
left to right, it will come as 2, sir. So
2.
we can-
That is very good. Very good. That is what. Are you clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is what I want to say. So 3-methyl pentane. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Varsini?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Now, remove one more carbon from the parental chain. Now you draw. How it will come? Jesse, can you say? Now, next, third one. 2 I have drawn already. 2 branches. So this is first one. Wait. This is the second one. This is the second branch, and that is the first branch. Now, third one. Third one, let me say. Maximum number of carbons, how many? Parental chain. 4 carbons. Clear, guys? 4 carbons.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me. 4 carbons. How much will come? H.
10 carbon.
3H,
H. Now here,
plus
C,
C,
H.
and branch to 3H.
Yes, very good. See, that is what, if you are communicating, definitely you people are going to make it everything. So to make you better understanding, only I am teaching you this much. Actually, nobody will teach you. With one example, everybody will stop. But why I am teaching you? Because you have to perform everything well. That is what. Next, calculating isomers will get it. That is what. Is it correct, guys? Right, condensed formula. CH3, CH, CH, CH3. And here what? Here one branch. That is what? CH3. And here one branch. This is what? CH3. Here, guys?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Nobody is answering.
No
Okay.
doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Now you can see. Observe very carefully. So what is the naming? Everybody tell me. What is the naming?
2,2-methyl
First you,
propane.
first you tell me. What is the naming? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or else you can come this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are correct because both the places branches are there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the parental chain? Varshini Bensi? What is the parental chain? Arun,
Sir, butane.
Butane.
very
butane.
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 Everybody try to answer butane. Now, what is the alkyl group? What is the alkyl groups?
Methyl, sir, methyl.
Dimethyl.
Are you understand? Methyl group. Now, at what carbons it is attached? 2,3. That's all.
2,3.
Understand? 2,3 methyl. Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Nobody will respond. Okay.
So if dimethyl means same carbon, 2 methyl should
Yes,
form, sir.
same 2,3 dimethyl. Sorry, Amma. 2 came correct. So dimethyl. Very good. Very good. Alan. Dimethyl it is. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, same one I can write like this. Is it right or wrong? You people tell me. I won't say. CH3, CHC, understanding? Now CH3. So here, sorry, here also CH, I think, 1 minute, CH2. CH2. Now here CH3 and here CH3. Is it right or wrong? Yes or no?
Right.
Sir, no.
No. Check.
Sir, then in the third also.
You can check it. Is it right or wrong? Tell me. All are satisfying or not? Number of hydrogens you count it. Count it coming or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
Coming?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the naming of carbon? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to proceed with what? Left to right or right to left?
2,2 dimethyl butane.
Very
Not
good.
dimethyl.
2,2 dimethyl
Dimethyl butane.
dimethyl
Butane, sir.
butane.
Butane.
Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That is. So this is what it is called as a branched chains understanding. So which we can write in the form of what? The isobutanes, isopentanes and all. So this is what it is called as naming of branched chains. Any doubt in this, anybody you can ask me. So like this we have to write the isomers of any kind of saturated hydrocarbons. Any doubt, guys? Okay.
No
So
doubt,
now,
sir.
this calculating isomers also, we are having a formula which will applicable till 7, C7 only. So later it is not applicable. So okay, that is also we'll study in the next class. Hope you all understand this. Next class I will say naming of double bond and triple bond. Is it okay, guys? Double bond
Yes,
and
sir.
triple bond. So
Triple
double
bond.
bond and triple bond means what we used to get? Unsaturated hydrocarbons. What is that?
Unsaturated hydrocarbon.
Unsaturated hydrocarbons.
So hope you all understand this like this. If you are really interested, then you can try for next one. That is only C7H16. Clear? Then definitely you people will become more familiar. And I am saying you, maybe class 10th, the importance of this one, maybe 50%. But if you go 11th and 12th, chemistry, organic chemistry, full will be these structures only. So there you can feel the importance of learning this, all the things now itself. Okay. So that is
Yes,
what,
sir.
so hope you all understand how to write the naming of branched chains. So that is the 5 points which you have to remember. So again, I'm saying 5 points. What is that? We have to choose the maximum parental chain first. What is the maximum number of carbons? Longest possible carbon chain. Next one, what? Next one, name it as a parent hydrocarbon. Longest chain is only called as parent hydrocarbon. And next one, find the alkyl group. Which is the alkyl group is present? And after that, the alkyl group attached carbon, we have to make it what? The lowest possible number. Clear or not? Lowest possible number, and later we have to write that alkyl group with that lowest possible number of carbon. Then we have to attach the parent hydrocarbon. That is what will give you the name of IUPAC name of branched chain. Is it yes or no, guys? These are the
Yes,
5
sir.
steps which you have to remember. So always only one step people will get confused, that is left to right or right to left. So we'll always will say left to right and right to left. How we can decide? Based upon the branch.
Lowest.
Yes. So now if you want to form the branched chain, minimum number of carbons are how many? Minimum number of carbons is, understand? 3. 3 means for 4, it will start from the 4 only. Means
Yes.
butane only it will start. And parental chain you can keep
Longest
maximum
you can
number.
have.
Many.
Maximum is
The
3.
number
Yes.
we can keep 3. Is it okay, guys? Prasini,
Yes.
everyone, Priya, this is what it is. So this all the things will come with the practice only. Once again you practice. Akshay is not there. This one, Ashika, you understand, Ashika? So okay. So this is all about it. With this I will stop. So hope you all are already very tight. So next class again we'll see. So till here, kindly once again you practice. Don't get any confuses. You practice, definitely people will make it everything well. Thank you all. We'll meet again. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.